Welcome to Verse of the Day Quran channel. We will translate one verse a day from the Sahih International Translation along with the tafsir from Ibn Kathir, Surah Al-An'am, verse 159, Sahih International Translation. Indeed, those who have divided their religion and become sects, you, O Muhammad, are not associated with them in anything. Their affair is only left to Allah. Then he will inform them about what they used to do. Here is the tafsir of Surah Al-An'am, verse 159 by Ibn Kathir. This verse is a warning against division and sectarianism in religion. Ibn Kathir explains that this verse refers to those who deviated from the straight path, divided the religion of Allah, and split into different sects and groups. These groups adopt different forms of misguidance, each sect claiming that they are on the right path. The Prophet is instructed to disassociate himself from these groups. He is not responsible for their misguidance, and they will face the consequences of their actions in front of Allah. This verse highlights the importance of unity in faith and the dangers of splitting into factions, where people begin following their desires rather than the guidance from Allah. The tafsir emphasizes that true religion is to follow the guidance sent by Allah, and any division or sectarianism is a deviation from this. Ibn Kathir also mentions the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad, who said that his ummah would split into 73 sects, and only one of them would be on the right path, the one that adheres to his way and the way of his companions. In summary, the verse serves as a reminder that division and sectarianism in religion are condemned, and those who indulge in them will be judged by Allah on the Day of Judgment. The Prophet Muhammad is not responsible for their deviations, and his duty is to convey the message of unity and true belief. If you found this explanation enlightening, consider sharing it with others and subscribing for more insights into the Quran. May Allah guide us all to the light of faith and knowledge. Ameen, Ya Allah.